To begin creating a 3D topography map, from the File menu we'll go to Geolocation and Add a Location. I'll select Region and grab that to bring it into the Sketchup window, and from the Toolbar menu I'll select the Toggle Terrain button to turn on the 3D topography. The next step is to back out some and move over to the side and draw a slightly larger rectangle. Now you'll move this rectangle over so that it overlaps all edges of your topography. Now you'll move it straight down so that no part of it intersects your topography model. The next step will be to move it straight back up, but to copy it as well. So I've locked this 2D plane to the blue axis by pressing the up arrow key, and I've also hit the control button to make it copy as well as move. Now before I click or do anything else, I will type in 2 feet and press enter, and that will copy that 2D plane up 2 feet from the original. Now before I do anything else, I will type in X250 and press enter, and that'll multiply that 2D plane up 250 times at a 2-foot interval. So now you can see we have many 2D planes that encompasses our topography. So now we'll select everything in the window, so that'll be all the 2D planes and the topography inside of it. Right click on it and go to Intersect Faces and select with Model. Now when this comes back, all we'll have to do is delete these 2D layers and we'll be left with our topography model, and it will have our topography lines drawn on it at 2-foot intervals. And then all you have to do is export it as a DWG, and you can use that in a plethora of other programs. So now I'm just going to highlight a small corner over here because I want to make sure not to accidentally select the terrain on the inside, and I will just erase this and do the same over here. And you can see now we are left with our topography model with 2-foot contours drawn on it. So I'll just unlock this and hide it so you all can see. So now all I need to do is export a 3D model, and I'll just name it a topo file. And I can import that into Revit or AutoCAD. And if I'm using Revit, I can use that to model topography as well. And AutoCAD will also have the 3D data tag to it. So I hope that helps you and you can use this in your project. So if you want to see more videos, don't forget to like and subscribe.